According to legend, goddess Parvati took the form of a virgin girl, Devi Kanyakumari, to perform penance and kill the demon Banasura, who had a boon that he could only be killed by a virgin. Lord Shiva agreed to marry Devi Kanyakumari, but the divine sage Narada intervened. In an attempt to preserve the goddess's ability to defeat Banasura, he disguised himself as a rooster and crowed falsely to make Lord Shiva think he had missed the auspicious time for the wedding. As a result, Lord Shiva returned and the goddess remained a virgin. When Banasura approached her, she defeated him in a fierce battle. The Devi continues her penance at the temple, waiting to be united with Shiva. The temple showcases traditional Dravidian architecture with colorful gopurams, intricately carved pillars, and ornate sculptures. The sanctum is raised higher than the ground level and features an Arthamandapam and an Antaralam with ancient Tamil carvings on its walls. The Dravidian style Vimana was renovated in 2013 and features carvings of the goddess on its four sides. The temple complex is comprised of multiple halls and courtyards, including a Navaratri hall and a meditation hall. The 19th century copper clad flagpole stands in the eastern courtyard. The idol of Devi Kanyakumari is famously adorned with a sparkling diamond nose ring. It is said that its radiance once caused a ship to mistake it for a lighthouse and crashed on the rocks. To prevent such incidents from recurring, the eastern door of the sanctum is permanently closed and only open for special occasions such as the Chitra Purnami festival. The temple is uniquely situated at the Triveni Sangam, the confluence of the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean. A dip in the holy waters here is believed to wash away sins. The other attractions inside the temple are the Padala Ganga Tirtha and Kala Bhairava shrine. Kala Bhairava is a ferocious form of Lord Shiva who annihilates Kala or time itself. Each of the 51 Shakta Pita has a Kala Bhairava shrine within the temple meant for the protection of the temple. The name of the Kala Bhairava in Kanyakumari temple is Nimish and the Shakti is Sharvani. And in the Shakta Pita of Suchindram, the Kala Bhairava is Samhara and the Shakti is Narayani. There are also shrines to Vijaya Sundari and Bala Sundari, friends and playmates of the goddess in her youthful form. There are shrines of Lord Surya Deva, Lord Ganesh, and Lord Ayyappa Swami.